Welcome back here with us on Times Now, and viewers, our focus continues to be the latest update coming in from Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also put out a message on social media platform X, offers condolences. He's put out a post wherein he says that he is constantly in touch with the state government of Uttar Pradesh, and he is also speaking to the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath continuously. Let's go across to my colleague Pratibha joining us on the broadcast. Pratibha, over to you. Take us through the message by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this mishap.
Right, Hina. So the Prime Minister has spoken on the incident at Mahakumbh, and here's what he says. It's a message in Hindi. Let's translate it for our viewers. It says the incident that happened in Prayagraj Mahakumbh is extremely sad. My deepest condolences to the devotees who have lost their loved ones in this. Along with this, I also wish for the speedy recovery of all the injured. The local administration is engaged in helping the victims in every possible way. In this regard, I have spoken to Chief Minister Yogi Ji, and I am constantly in touch with the state government. Remember, sources have also said, and the Chief Minister has also confirmed that the Prime Minister has spoken to him multiple times since morning, taking stock of the situation on the ground.
All right, Pratibha, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those inputs. We have my colleague Pragya as well joining us on the broadcast right now. Pragya, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been in touch with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ever since we got reports of this mishap, and now he's put out this first post amidst, people raising questions on the arrangements that were in place for the devotees on this very, very auspicious day of Mauni Amavasya.
You are absolutely right, and not just once. Prime Minister's office and Prime Minister himself is constantly in touch with Yogi administration, and they are in touch with Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi Adityanath. This also, gives significance to how much concern Prime Minister is about this stampede, and this has also been clarified in Prime Minister tweet that some people have incidentally lost their lives in the lost their loved ones in this particular stampede. They are aware of the situation on the ground, and Centre is extended all the help that they could to the Uttar Pradesh administration. This has come from all quarters, and Centre is keeping a very close watch on it, and they are ensuring that this incident like this should not happen in future. There are many days for the Kumbh to go, but today is particularly a very auspicious day, and this explains why there was so much of crowd, at a particular point of time for this Amrit Snan. Also the religious bodies have also realized this.
And slowly things have started limping back to normalcy as well. That's what we are learning from the ground, from our colleagues who are tracking this story very closely. Thank you, Pragya, for the moment for joining us with your inputs. We will slip into another very, very short break, but Meghna will be back with more news and updates. Stay with us.